I'm Sonia. In today's video, I am actually going to get ready to go on a trip, and I decided to pop on the camera and show you guys the process. Now, before I leave or before I pack, I like to put on my hair and makeup. That way I know exactly what I'm going to need to pack. And today I've partnered with Sally Beauty to show you all of my beauty finds at super affordable prices that I know you guys will appreciate. Now, just because you're traveling does not mean your hair routine has to suffer. I just washed my hair using my favorite Gentle Moisture shampoo, and I know I can't travel with these big boys, so I utilize these small dispensing bottles. I fill them up with my favorite shampoo, conditioners, and lotions, and they're perfect for TSA check. Next up, I'm going to be applying my heat protection. This is really important before blow drying, curling, straightening, or even exposure to the sun if you guys are going to the beach or to the pool. And I'm also going to be drying my hair using this conditioning ion travel dryer. I love it because it folds down and can fit into my carry-on bag. It's not heavy at all, and it actually dries my hair so quickly. I was really impressed with it. You're probably going to use this on an everyday basis. Then before I do any styling, I'm going to make sure that I detangle my hair by brushing it a few times, making sure that I take out any of the knots I've created with my blow dryer. And to style my hair, I'm using this mini combo styler, and it's great because you are able to straighten your hair, which is just easy, right? You just go through it pass by pass and you get this really nice, sleek, shiny, straight hair. And then also you're able to wrap your hair around the closed styler as a clipless wand, creating these really nice effortless waves. So super cool and really handy because you can just put it into this little pouch so you don't burn any of your clothing, and it just tucks away into your carry-on bag. You guys, I am obsessed with this tool. It's so cool. And then to finish off my look, I'm going to be adding a little bit of this finishing spray, which is a flexible hold hairspray. So it's going to hold your style, add shine, and then also keeps your hair from flaking or getting dusty looking. Then I like to cut time when I'm traveling and just use dry shampoo, and all you do is spray this onto the roots and give it a good shake. It leaves your hair volumized and smelling super refreshed, and this is the final look.